staple, particularly in non-wheat eating areas like the southern states and the eastern states of India. In those days, in 1950s and 60s, wheat was very rare in these states. It was not a part of our diet, but the vigorous promotions that were taken up by Mr. Kandhari really brought in a great transition in our dietary pattern and made wheat as a component of our food basket as an additional staple food for the people. Several seminars, exhibitions, conferences, workshops, demonstrations have been conducted under the leadership of Mr. Kandhari in all over the country, especially with a focus on the southern states and the eastern states where wheat was not an established staple food. As a result of this vigorous promotion done by the wheat associates, the consumption of bakery products and other wheat products have risen very significantly in these states. And today, we will be surprised in a predominantly rice-eating state like Kerala. Per capita consumption of bread is highest in the country. This is all due to the promotional efforts done for promoting wheat as a part of our diet by wheat associates, as well as by the efforts done by the Government of India in setting up a chain of bakery units across the country to promote wheat consumption, particularly in rice-eating areas. There is a reason for promoting wheat because we were food deficit at that time. We didn't have green revolution and food surpluses at that time. And rice availability is very restricted, and government had no choice except to promote wheat as an alternate staple food for us. And it was an extremely successful experiment. And the chain of bakeries that were set up to promote wheat consumption were extremely successful. And even today, they continue to conduct this role of promoting wheat and wheat products in all these states through a brand called Modern Bread, with which we are all familiar. Mr. Kandhari spent 30 to 40 years spearheading the movement for promoting wheat and helped establish a number of baking schools to promote the human resources, capable human resources for the industry. He was instrumental in setting up a baking school at Anand and also at several other places, and led this movement on a continuous basis to promote wheat consumption across the country. He also played a very significant role in developing capable human resources for the ongoing developing bakery products industry in the country, and helped the technical executives in organized and semi-organized industries to study at the American Institute of Baking to get advanced knowledge in baking science and technology for the benefit of the Indian industry. Several of us, including me, I'm a beneficiary of this program of Wheat Associates, having had my training at the American Institute of Baking at that time in Chicago. So many accomplishments to be cited about Mr. Kandhari's mission to promote wheat consumption across the country, and it is now more than fulfilled, and wheat has become a part of our diet. In fact, it is the #2 cereal consumption in the country today. With these few words, I think we will have a video show on Mr. Kandhari's mission in wheat promotion. Are we having the video? No, No, video है ना? Okay. No, this is for, okay there. इसको बंद कर देगा, वो देखेगा. We'll show the video first. I think this is a slideshow, not a video, but this will give a glimpse of what Mr. Kandhari's contribution is to the promotion of wheat in this country.